Hey guys, Ian here with Nello Designs. Today we are going to open up our catalytic converter skid plate kit, and so let's get right to it. So first and foremost, you can cut the tape right off the front of your box. Probably shouldn't do that to your box, it's not ideal. Alright, so when you open it up, you're going to find some bubble wrap in here. So you're going to have bubble wrap inside, you're going to have a little hardware kit. So this is going to have your packing slip, your hardware, little contact card, thank you, and sticker. They're going to be in this orange envelope. So specific to the catalytic converter kit, you will have a little bag in here that says parts on it, and it's going to be marked with a C. The C bag is going to be for the cat plate specifically, and then your M bag is going to be for the mid plate specifically. Now, we do reuse factory hardware. You can't see them, but there's actually 3 holes across the front of the mid plate that we reuse the factory hardware for, and then we provide hardware for these two for you to use. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And this is going to have a little bit of paper on top as well. And then spin it around here. There's another piece of cardboard in here to protect these plates from hitting each other, and another one over here as well. So that's what you should expect to see when you open it. If the box looks wildly different inside, you should probably consider emailing us immediately so that way we can see if it's been repacked, or if for some reason it's not in this Nello Designs box. That would be a very good indicator. But otherwise, this is what you will find when you order a catalytic converter skid plate from us. See ya.